Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mini Cooper. This two-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter I4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mini has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, power sunroof, heated front seats, Bluetooth, CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.